Welcome, students, to our examination preparation session. Today, we will provide you with some valuable tips and strategies to help you succeed in your upcoming exams. Let's get started. Section 1. Planning and Organization. The first step in exam preparation is effective planning and organization. Here are a few key points to consider. Create a study schedule. Plan your study time in advance and allocate specific time slots for each subject or topic. Another one, break it down. Divide your study material into smaller, manageable sections. This will make it easier to cover everything and track your progress. Prioritize your subjects. Identify the subjects or topics that require more attention or that you find challenging. Allocate more study time to these areas. Gather study materials. Make sure you have all the necessary textbooks, lecture notes, and any other relevant study resources to aid your preparation. Section 2. Effective study techniques. Now that you have your study plan in place, let's discuss some effective study techniques. Active learning. Engage actively with the material by taking notes, summarizing key points, and asking yourself questions. This helps with comprehension and retention. Practice with past papers. Familiarize yourself with the exam format by practicing with past papers. This will give you an idea of the types of questions you may encounter and help you manage your time during the exam. Form study groups. Consider forming study groups with classmates to discuss difficult concepts, share insights, and quiz each other. Collaborative learning can be beneficial. Use visual aids. Utilize diagrams, charts, and mind maps to visualize complex information and improve understanding. Section 3. Taking care of yourself. Remember, taking care of yourself is equally important during this crucial time. Here are some self-care tips. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep each night. A well-rested mind performs better and improves focus. Eat nutritious meals. Fuel your body and brain with healthy foods to maintain energy levels and enhance cognitive function. Exercise and take breaks. Incorporate short breaks into your study routine and engage in physical activities like stretching or going for a walk to refresh your mind. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or listening to calming music to reduce stress and anxiety. Conclusion. Well, students, I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful for your upcoming exams. Remember to stay focused, believe in yourself, and maintain a positive mindset. Good luck to each and every one of you. You've got this.